Musk has openly criticized government policies that prioritize electric vehicles over other emerging technologies. This criticism mirrors a growing consumer sentiment that questions the exclusive focus on EVs as the primary solution for reducing emissions. As a result, alternative technologies such as hydrogen fuel cells and ammonia-powered engines are receiving increased attention. These innovations present notable advantages, including faster refueling times and extended driving ranges, effectively addressing some of the current limitations associated with electric vehicles. However, the environmental impact of electric vehicle production cannot be overlooked. This includes significant carbon emissions and issues surrounding resource extraction, particularly in the mining of lithium and cobalt, which pose serious ecological and human rights concerns. Moreover, effective recycling of lithium-ion batteries remains a critical challenge, with less than 5% currently being recycled. If not managed properly, this situation poses substantial environmental risks. In terms of cost, charging an EV at home can often be significantly cheaper than relying on public charging stations. Yet, many individuals lack home charging options, rendering public stations essential for their EV usage. Looking ahead, future electricity pricing could become unpredictable due to rising demand from EV charging. This surge may lead to higher electricity bills in the short term, despite a broader push for renewable energy sources. In addition, the depreciation of electric vehicles is significantly impacted by increased competition and advancements in battery technology, resulting in a dramatic loss of value within just a few years. Interestingly, despite having fewer moving parts, electric vehicles statistically encounter more problems compared to traditional gasoline-powered cars, which can be surprising for many potential buyers. Repairing electric vehicles often proves challenging due to the necessity for specialized skills and parts, leading to long wait times and elevated repair costs for owners. Government incentives aimed at promoting EV adoption, such as tax breaks and funding for charging infrastructure, frequently come with strict regulations that restrict traditional vehicle sales. This shift signifies a dramatic change in policy. Additionally, the reliance on imported oil and China's dominance in the electric vehicle supply chain have prompted Western governments to advocate for EV adoption. This strategic initiative aims to decrease foreign dependency while boosting local manufacturing. The establishment of low-emission zones in urban areas restricts access to traditional vehicles, which raises significant concerns regarding personal freedom and economic disparity. This creates barriers for individuals who cannot afford electric vehicles. While many urban areas are equipped with charging stations, rural residents face formidable challenges due to inadequate infrastructure and extended wait times for charging. This disparity hampers broader EV adoption. Consequently, consumers are increasingly voicing skepticism about electric vehicles, demanding greater transparency and accountability from the industry. They seek options that align with their personal preferences rather than a compelled transition. As a part of this trend, alternative technologies such as hydrogen fuel cells and ammonia-powered engines are emerging as viable solutions to address some limitations faced by battery electric vehicles. These innovations hold promise for faster refueling and longer ranges. Major automotive brands like BMW and Mercedes are beginning to express concerns over the push for full electrification, underscoring supply chain vulnerabilities and environmental challenges. Moreover, consumers are realizing that electric vehicles might not fulfill every transportation need, influenced by varying driving habits and geographic considerations. Ultimately, the call for consumer autonomy highlights the importance of informed decision-making in transportation, empowering individuals to select solutions that best meet their unique requirements.